climate emergency is ever more urgent. So what more should we be doing? Not just running a wind farm, but how do we actually work with our members? Can they buy our electricity? Can we offer extra benefits to our members? For example, helping them become more energy efficient, to become more advocates for a different sort of citizen-driven climate transition. That's some of what we're starting to think about today.
Probably the most important thing is how do we broaden our member base? How do we bring more younger people in? Because half of our membership is 60 or over.
Age is a huge challenge in terms of the community energy space.
That means we've got to think about our new generation of members who are going to take this project forward. So that's what we're starting to do. Who should they be? Where should they come from? What should they look like? How do we actually develop this site? It's already an exemplar. How do we keep doing that and actually make us part of a citizens-driven energy transition?
I think it's really important when we're hearing from young people to have a diverse range of young people. My experience is going to be very different from somebody who is a disabled young person or a BIPOC young person. I think it's about having all these different facets and skills and abilities coming into one space to be able to create a future that really is for all of us. It's so integral that we get young people on board, because we need them and we need their voices to be integrated at every single level if community energy is to be a long-term solution, which everybody here believes that it has the potential to be.
We have a pretty unique situation where we have a wind and a solar sort of operation on one site, all owned by the community. We could sell our electricity to the local neighbourhoods, the local schools, the local businesses, and build a little grid of our own almost, in terms of making sure that people have got the energy they need, locally sourced, 100% renewable.